How to verify domain in Jira. Let's get started. First, navigate to the website of Jira and sign into your account. Once you are logged in, click on the settings icon in the top navigation bar. From the drop-down menu, select Billing. Now in the admin panel, click on Admin, then go to the Overview section and choose Verify Domain. Enter your domain name in the provided field and click Next to continue. You will now see options to enter the required DNS verification details. Type in the name or host and set the TTL time to live value. Now choose your verification method, either DNS text record or HTML file upload. For DNS, log into your domain's host DNS settings and add the TXT record provided. For HTML, upload the given file to your website's root directory. Once done, return to Jira and click Verify Domain. After successful verification, you'll be able to manage users under that domain and enable single sign-on (SSO). That's it, you have successfully verified your domain in Jira. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.